In this video, we'll see how to add any controller with your Simulink model. I will here add one PID controller with one simple model, simple Simulink model. This is so simple, and this video is only for beginners. Okay, I have already added these blocks here. If you want to know how I added here, just here double click on this window of Simulink. Okay, search scopes. Suppose I need scope SEO. Okay, it came and enter. Here it comes. Okay, I need one step signal STEP. It came, and I want to add one controller PID controller. So just type PI only with PI it came. So enter. Ju- like this you can connect, and let's add one transfer function first order. Okay, and connect all these. Okay, so select all and delete. We'll run this model. Okay, go to simulation and run. Here it's compiling. It will not take that much time. Okay, simulation is done. So we can see here results. On scope, just double click. Yeah, result came. Look. Okay, this result. So this is it. It's so simple. Thank you.